curious minds, ready to unlock the secrets of our amazing world? Let's get started. Have you ever thanked a bee for your favorite fruit or a spoonful of yummy honey? Let's join the bee team and discover their two amazing superhero jobs. Our world is full of beautiful flowers. But how do they turn into the delicious fruits and vegetables we love to eat? They need help from a special delivery service. And that's bee team job number 1, pollination. Buzzy isn't just looking for a snack. She's on a very important mission. While she sips on a sugary drink called nectar, tiny grains of pollen stick to her fuzzy body, like getting flour on your nose when you bake. When Buzzy visits the next flower for another drink, she accidentally delivers her special cargo. Some of the pollen rubs off onto a part of the flower called the stigma. This is pollination. That tiny grain of pollen travels down and tells the flower it's time to make a seed. It's the secret signal for a plant to start growing its fruit. And once pollinated, the flower transforms. It grows into a delicious fruit with seeds inside. So without bees, we'd have a lot less of our favorite healthy snacks. But what about job number 2? That sweet nectar Buzzy collects is the only ingredient for the world's most delicious treat, honey. She uses her special straw-like tongue, the proboscis, to drink it all up. She stores the nectar in a special honey stomach called the crop. It's like a little nectar backpack she uses to carry it home. With a full tank, she flies back to her hive, which is like a super busy honey factory. Here, she passes the nectar to a house bee. Inside the bee's bodies, special enzymes, like magic potions, are mixed in. This starts turning the nectar into honey. The bees then store the watery nectar mixture in their amazing pantry, the honeycomb, which is made of beeswax. But the mixture is still too watery. So the bees work together, fanning their wings like tiny, high-powered fans to help the extra water evaporate and make the honey thick and gooey. Once the honey is perfect, they seal the cell with a wax cap. This keeps it clean and fresh, ready for them to eat during the long winter months. So, from pollinating our food to making delicious honey, bees are true superstars of the natural world. These tiny heroes work hard to keep our planet healthy and sweet. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe to Tender Intellects for more such fun videos.